Sound Partners 1, Lesson 59. Today we will continue practicing with our new letter pair OW that makes the sound ow, like in the word clown. Let's point to each letter or letter pair and say this sound. Ow, clown. R, car. Grape. Ooh, blue. Ow, clown. K, truck. Fern. Ow, clown. Ooh, blue. Ooh, screw. Ow, cloud. Ow, clown. Car. Now get your pencil and paper ready as we listen to sounds and write the letter or letter pairs that represent those sounds. Here's the first sound.
Gr.
Number 2.
Ow.
Number 3.
R.
Number 4. Number 5.
Ooh.
And number 6. Let's check your answers. The first sound was made by the letter pair GR. The second sound, OW or OU. The third sound, AR. The fourth sound, ER. The fifth sound, EW or UE. And the last sound, CK. Now let's sound these out and say them fast. Ready? T, hour, tower. Ch, arm, charm. Sh, hour, shower. Ch, ow, chow. Arc, p, hour, power. H, ow, how. St, art, starter. B, arcing, barking. Weeds, weeds. H, owl, howl. Ish, wish. Ground, ground. Arch, try, try. Now let's spell 6 of those words. The first word we're going to spell is the word tower. Tower. I built a tower of Legos. Tower. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word tower. The next word, arch. Arch. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word arch. The next word, weeds. Weeds. Pull the weeds from the flower bed. Weeds. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word weeds. The next word, power. Power. Turn the power off. Power. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word power. The next word, wish. Wish. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word wish. And the last word, charm. Charm. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word charm. Now let's check your answers. The first word was the word tower. Tower with the letter pairs OW and ER. The next word, arch, ARCH, with the letter pairs AR and CH. The next word, weeds, WEEDS, with the letter pair EE. The next word, power, POWER, with the letter pairs OW and ER. The next word, wish, WISH, with the letter pair SH. And the last word, charm, CHARM, with the letter pairs CH and AR. Now let's read and spell our sight words. Our new sight word today is the word very, VERY, very. One, ONE, one. Very, VERY, very. Have, HAVE, have. Two, TWO, two. Know, K-N-O-W, know. Saw, S-A-W, saw. Liver live, L-I-V-E, liver live. Very, V-E-R-Y, very. Was, W-A-S, was. To, T-W-O, to. O-N-E, one. Very, V-E-R-Y, very. Now let's practice spelling some of those words. The first word we're going to spell is our new word, the word very. The next word, one, like the number one. The next word, two, like the number two. And the last word, live or live. All right, let's check your spelling. The first word was very, V-E-R-Y, very. The second word, one, O-N-E, one. The next word, two, T-W-O, two. And the last word, live or live, L-I-V-E, live or live. Now let's practice reading these sentences. I'll give you just a moment to practice by yourself. The underlined word is the word good. Okay, let's practice. If you are very good tonight, you can have one of my flowers. I know that you like them. If you are very good tonight, you can have one of my flowers. I know that you like them. Point to each box and read and spell each chunk. I-G-H-I. Ite, I-G-H-T, ite. And now let's read and spell the words using those chunks. Ready? High, H-I-G-H, high. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Brighter, B-R-I-G-H-T-E-R, brighter. Flight, F-L-I-G-H-T, flight. Sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight. Light, L-I-G-H-T, light. Tonight, T-O-N-I-G-H-T, tonight. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Sunlight, S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. Right, R-I-G-H-T, right. Titan, T-I-G-H-T-E-N, titan. And skylight, S-K-Y-L-I-G-H-T, skylight. Now let's practice with our magic E rule. If a word has an E at the end, the middle vowel says its name and the E is quiet. Use the rule to read these words. Ready? E at the end, the vowel says its name, I. grime. E at the end, the vowel says its name O. Oak, broke. No E at the end, the vowel says its sound A. Brat, brat. No E at the end, the vowel says its sound I. Grin. No E at the end, the vowel says its sound I. Split. E at the end, the vowel says its name O. Oak, spoke. E at the end, the vowel says its name A. Ale, male. E at the end, the I says its name I. Mine. No E at the end, the vowel says its sound I. Mint. E at the end, the vowel says its name I. Quite. E at the end, the vowel says its name O. Oat, note. No E at the end, the vowel says its sound stun. E at the end, the vowel says its name O. Stone. No E at the end, the vowel says its sound I. Stand. E at the end, the vowel says its name A. Steak. No E at the end, the vowel says its sound A. Stack. Now let's practice reading these nonsense words. Ready? Trowel. Growled. Snoo. Carm. Zurl. Verk. And now let's practice spelling 3 nonsense words. The first word we're going to spell is the word wark. The next word, sneef. And the last word, groused. Let's check your spelling. The first word was wark, W-A-R-K. The next word, sneef, S-N-E-E-F. And the last word, groused, G-R-O-U-S-T, groused. Now let's reread our story from yesterday, Max and the Tomcats. Ready? Max and the Tomcats. 6 tomcats sit on the tip-top of a big wall. The sun will set soon. Eow, eow, eow. All of the cats call. Meow, meow, meow. They squall. Max, who is 6, sits up in a tree. Hey, cats, calls Max. What do you see? But the cats' meow is all they will tell. After a time, the sun did set. As night fell, the cats called, "Max, we see a big white ball." Max looked up at the light as he sat in the tree. "What a wonderful sight," said he. Then, as Max sat looking at the big white moon, he suddenly saw a man looking back at him. The man in the moon saw 6 cats and Max. "What a wonderful sight tonight," said he. Soon the bright light of the moon sat over them all. Then the 6 tomcats did begin to call and call and call. "Meow, reow, breow," they sang to Max and to the man in the moon. Max was glad he was in the tree to see the moonlight and to hear the song. But at last the moon man went out of sight. The song was over until another night. "Go to bed, Max." "Go to bed, 6 tomcats." "Good night, Max." "Good night, cats." Good night, moonlight. The end. And that's the end of our lesson today.